Do you want to know how old your Instagram account is? In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to check the age of your Instagram account. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap About. And then tap About your account. So now you will be able to see the date you joined Instagram. For me, it's March 2022. By looking at the date you joined, you can figure out how old your Instagram account is. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.